It's not just love or attention. It's the deeper qualities that often go unnoticed but matter the most. Welcome back to the Comeback community. Today, we're diving deeper into the qualities women truly seek in a partner. It's more than just romantic gestures. Women want a meaningful, emotionally fulfilling connection. Let's explore what really makes a difference. 1. Emotional intelligence. Women appreciate a partner who is aware of their own emotions and can understand and empathize with hers. Emotional maturity means handling conflict thoughtfully, being in tune with her feelings, and offering support without judgment. 2. Consistency. It's not enough to show up for the highs. Women value a partner who is consistent, both in effort and actions. This means being reliable, whether it's the small daily things or in the face of life's bigger challenges. 3. Vulnerability. Contrary to popular belief, showing vulnerability is a strength. Women respect men who are willing to be open about their fears, struggles, and dreams. It creates a deeper emotional bond. 4. Authentic confidence. Confidence doesn't mean arrogance. Women appreciate a partner who knows their worth without feeling the need to prove it. Authentic confidence radiates security and is key in building a strong partnership. 5. Shared growth. Women seek someone who doesn't just stay stagnant. A relationship is about growing together. They want a partner who's open to personal growth and evolving, both individually and as a couple. In essence, women desire more than surface-level affection. They want depth, understanding, and growth. By focusing on these core qualities, relationships can thrive and deepen over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Comeback community for more thought-provoking content.